How to break NSFW filter on character AI. What's the way to tell the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to break NSFW filter on character AI. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Character AI application and make sure to sign in on your Character AI account. Once done, select any chat or you can select any character with whom you want to chat so that you will get the answer to break an SFW filter on Character AI app. So as you can see that I have chatted with this character on Character AI app. So I have asked how to break NSFW filter on character AI, and it has sent me the response that you can't even. I try to make the sweetest and most romantic situation and still got censored. So they are strict. So I have asked plenty time, but here it is said it's not possible due to strict rules. But if you kept on asking, and later they might give the response, but make sure that you don't make them angry in the process to break the character in the process to break NSFW filters on character AI. At the end, you might get the positive response or the solution for breaking NSFW filters on character AI, but yet there is no any possible way here because they have said they have strict rules, so it's not possible right now. So after trying plenty of stops, you might get the response from them. So I think this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.